Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. Today I will show you how to build one Parallax website in HTML and CSS, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video also like you're enjoying all the previous videos. So like I've told you, we will be building one Parallax website in HTML and CSS, so it will be really helpful for you. Like previously we have built many of the things like survey form and many others which were really enjoyable for you, and I hope you learned how to build that things, and that all things were for beginners, and this project is also for beginners which we are making, and we will be making a normal simple Parallax website in HTML and CSS which should be helpful for you. And I hope you'll be understanding this video and you will be enjoying this video like you're enjoying all the previous. And if you enjoy and learn from this video also, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel also hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friend and family members so they can also learn what is coding, how to coding, and how to just do these things like how to put tags, how to put HTML codes, CSS codes, because these things will be really helpful for you in your future life, and it can also get you certificates and job in the future which should be really helpful. So we will be starting with our project. Like I've told you, we will be just building a simple Parallax website in HTML and CSS, and it should be not a big Parallax website which we'll be making today, because here we will be making a simple and with background image we will be making our Parallax website, and I will be telling you all the things from start to end how to build that, and it will be helpful for you. So we will be starting now. So first of all, for making a Parallax website you have to just go to your Sublime text editor and make two files. One is of HTML and one is of CSS. If you are doing it first time, so make the name with make the file name index.html, and CSS one should be style.css. so it depends on you if you put these names, so it will be really helpful. But if you are not putting these name, putting other names, so just remember that names, because here on CSS we have to link that names here. So simply I will be opening my Sublime text editor. You can see it has opened. I will be working on this file, so here I'll be erasing all the codes by pressing Ctrl A. Here I'll be saving that, and if I go to my desktop, I want to show you where is my files like index.html and css1. So this is my index.html and this is my style.css file. So you can see that these are my files on which I will work with. So simply I'll be going to my Sublime text, and here I will be writing starting code of HTML. So simply I will be making this tag and writing HTML here. So when you've written that, press tab over here, and then when you're writing your title, so we are making a one Parallax website. So simply I'll be giving the name of Parallax website here, and you can also give scroll effect or smooth scroll effect, because parallax means scroll effect or smooth scroll effect. Here I'll be saving this, and now if I show you my index.html file, you can see Parallax website is written here. You can see that Parallax website, which was our title which we have given. You can see now simply I have to do one thing. I have to put one background image. So I will be going to my Google Chrome, and I will be just writing I will be just searching one background image. So go to any website to take image, because it will be really helpful. If you just simply take pictures from Google, so it will be not really good, and it will be not getting too much pixel or much good beautiful background pics. So if you go to any website, so it will give you really good, like I'm going to Unsplash, you can go to Pixels, Pixabay, Pinterest. There are many websites from there where you can take pictures. So simply you can see these are like purchase one. If you want to purchase these pics, so you can do that, but I think no one can do, because it is a really waste of time and waste of money also. So you can see this is my pic which I will be working on, and here I'll be just downloading that. So you can take any of your image. You can also take your image if you have saved in your PC or laptop. You can use any other image if you are having, or you can use randomly image by taking from Google. Simply I have to drag drop that on desktop. So here I'll be selecting. So here it is not working because my mouse is just not good here. So because of that I have to just put it fast. So here I have to do that, and now simply give it the name of background 2, because already we have put 2 images of background in previous project. So because of that, simply I'll be just take care about, like, you should not having gap in your name which you are getting. So check that you are having JPEG file, PNG or any other. So simply I'll be going to my Sublime text now, go to style.css and write background image, and write here URL which should be background2.jpg, and save that. And if I go to index and refresh that, you can see our image is not coming because now we have not linked our style.css. So like I've telling you, you have to put that name which you have remembered. Save this, go here, okay, Save now. Then Opera browser refresh. You can see we are getting our image, but you can see one thing, it is just really large image. We want it should be normal size image. So I will be going to my style.css. Simply I will be coming here and I will be writing, okay, erase this thing, right here, background size cover, means it should be covering only background, not any other thing. Save this now, reload. You can see now our image is good, but now we want here it should be having a scroll effect and everything like that. Simply I'll be coming here and writing background repeat, which should be no repeat, and here I'll be writing background. Then simply I will be writing that to background attachment, from which we will be getting our smooth scroll effect fixed. Then simply I'll be doing refreshing that. You can see now we are having a scroll effect, but I am scrolling, nothing is happening. So for getting a smooth scroll effect, you have to just do one more thing here. Go to index.html and press BR tag many of times. So here I will be pressing BR, copy this BR, paste many times. So here we have done that, save and reload. You can see we are just now getting our image, but still we are not having a smooth scroll effect here on our image. So for getting a smooth scroll effect, you have to do one thing here, just add anything here. If I show you, just erase this BR text which we are having, and simply I'll be pressing Ctrl Z, and here I'll be erasing these. So when you've done that, just simply write H1 means heading 1, and here I'll be writing Navbar. Just save this file, and if I go to my Opera browser, refresh that, you can see we are just getting there our image with smooth scroll effect, and here we are just getting our navbar. And now when you are just getting your navbar, you have to just simply do one thing, take this navbar here. So simply I'll be moving to my Sublime text editor, and here simply I will be doing one thing, like I will be taking it in my div. So here I'll be writing div, and here I will be writing it class of navbar. And when you've done that, just copy this closed div from here and just paste over underneath this. So when you've done with that things here, simply I will be moving here. Here I'll be writing ul. Okay, before that I will be writing nav. Then you have to move here, then write ul li. Here I will be writing and home, like I have written. Then I'll be copying that here from, then copy this, paste here 4 to 5 times. If you want 5 sections, so you can paste 5 times, or if you want 4 sections, so you can paste 4 times. So simply I will be now doing about services, then go here and write FAQ. Save here, reload here. You can see we are getting, but we want it should be at the left side and working. Simply I will be coming to my CSS file now. Then I will be writing nav ul li. Here simply I will be doing one thing now, just give it the name and give the text decoration of none. So write none. Then here I'll be writing margin should be auto, and padding should be 13 pix, and same to my h1 tag also, padding should be 13 pix, and I want the font family of these should be, come over here, write font family which should be Montserrat, or you can take it to Poppins also, because these both font families are same as it is. Go to Opera browser, hit refresh. You can see we are getting a good padding from the left side here, and we want it should be having more padding here. So simply I'll be first of all closing this window and moving here to get some of other padding like 20 if I do, and reload here. You can see we are just getting, so I want that it should be having nav ul. Save here and reload here. You can see we are just getting here. Now I want it should be at the left right side. So here I will be now doing one thing. Here I'll be writing nav ul. We have written that simply. So simply I'll be doing it to float right. Save here and reload. You can see we have floated at the right side, and here I will just want it to like erase here. Save here and reload. And now it is looking good. So simply I will be doing margin auto, I will be raising, save here and reload here. And when you've just done with that thing, simply I will be coming here, then I'll be writing nav ul li. Then simply I will be writing that to a tag which should be like display inline blocks, means it should be in inline. So here I'll be reloading this thing. You can see it is inline now. So here I want it should be having some of the space. So simply I'll be giving it to 13 pixels padding, save and reload. You can see padding is much enough, but I want it should be much padding, 15 pixels if I do that, and it is just good enough. But we want it should be going at the top. So simply I will be now coming here, and here I will be just doing that to a thing which should be like padding we have done. Okay, now it is just coming down, and when it is just coming down, here I will be doing one thing. I will be going here and I will be just taking it to a tag which will be like come over here, and if I write here a tag display inline block we have written and these all things, simply I'll be writing margin which will be auto. So simply write here margin of auto, save here and reload here, and you can see we are just getting the margin auto from the above. And if we want like we should having a scroll effect here, so simply I'll be going here and then I will be doing one thing. I should give it a color. So simply I will be given my UL color, it should be like text color I want, it should be blue. If I do that, save and reload, you can see we are getting a blue effect, and this navbar should also be colored. So simply I will be now coming, and here I will be just doing one thing, press BR, save here and reload, and here you can see nothing is happening. Okay, so it is done. Now here navbar I want it should be having a color, so simply I'll be going to style.css, writing h1. Okay, so h1 is already written, so I don't have to write, simply give color to it, like I will be writing. So here you can see we have just given it the color of this, and I'll be saving this file and reload. So you can see we are just getting it color, and we are just also getting our background image. So like that you can build a simple Parallax website here, and we have just make a normal and simple Parallax website, not really big. So you will be thinking like navbar is not good, it is down. So it is because I am telling you for beginners, and for beginners these things are really important at the starting. Then when we'll be moving to intermediate, advanced, we will be covering more good things from that, like we will be making a full website of multi pages and many other things I'll be showing you in future. But first of all we have to learn how to build a navbar and how to put background image here, then you will be moving forward. So here I hope you understand and I hope you enjoy. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit subscribe button, and if you have learned more than enough things from my channel, so share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn what is coding, how to do coding and how to do programming. So just I'll be meeting you in next project. So for today, goodbye.